Hello everyone, this is Sreejith and Dilna. Our project was to identify the presence of obfuscation in the given Android app. So before we step into the further details of actions we performed during this project, this is the overall high-level reverse engineering approach that we took. We start with the .apk files of the Android application and then use tools like APK tools, Dex2Jar, to reach to the .jar file. Finally, we unzip those .jar files to analyze the Java code using the tool GUI. To start with, we were given 106 APK files. We took one of these files and then used the APK tool Dex2Jar and then the GUI to understand how the whole process works. And then our task was to automate in such a way that we could unzip all the APK files. So this is how we used the APK tool. To extract a single APK file, you can just run this command in the command prompt, wherein this myapp.apk is the file that we're trying to unzip. Then came the challenging part of targeting all the 100 plus APKs. For that, we took this command and made a batch file. So you can see that we have a simple for loop which gets all the APK files in that directory. /b just gets the file name and then we pass it to the APK tool command which we had used here to just unzip a single APK. Now we are kind of parameterizing it to unzip the entire directory. And this is what we got. You can see all the APKs unzipped and we see the folder and the resources that are there within those APK files. We are particularly interested in the Smalley folder. Similarly, using the Dex2Jar tool, we could get the jar files out of the APK. And here also, we first ran and tested with one APK file and then used a similar batch file and a similar DOS command in a loop to extract all the APKs within the directory. And this is what we get. These are the jar files of the 106 APKs that were shared with us. And in the next step, we will take a look at the Java code within these .jar files. So for viewing the Java code, we are using the GUI Java decompiler tool. Wow! And this is what we see when we bring in all the jar files into the GUI tool. We have all the jars open, and on the left side you can see a folder structure, some classes when we expand them. Basically in this tool we can start searching for patterns to understand if there are some kind of obfuscation existing. And in the next step we started searching for existence of obfuscation. We searched for ProGuard, which is most commonly used obfuscation tool that comes within Android. And we found these jar files having some mention of ProGuard. At the same time, we also found some classes which showed a class name obfuscation. Now the set of example wherein we can see that the class names doesn't really make any sense. There are some random alphabets. Can also see the package names are also single alphabet, A, B, C, D naming of packages. And in the next steps, what we hope to do is to automate even the identification and existence of obfuscation within the Java code. All right, thank you. Let us know if you have any query. Thank you.